Hi, my name is Dan Cramp, Business Transformation Executive at Sharing Growth. Today we're going to delve into the critical aspects of production planning, ranging from short-term to long-term strategies. Production planning is the backbone of any business. It's about making sure you make the right products at the right time, at the right quantities and at the right cost, ensuring your business runs smoothly and efficiently. There are 3 levels to production planning. All 3 need to be deployed effectively to ensure the process runs smoothly and achieves the objective of hitting the customer demand. The 3 levels or stages are as follows: short-term planning, short to medium-term planning and long-term planning. Firstly, we have short-term planning, which is commonly known as the execution plan. This is where we review the day-to-day requirements of the customer and align them to the production plan to ensure that we hit all of our targets. This cycle normally takes 1 to 2 weeks. Next, we have medium to short-term planning, which tends to be concerned with the monthly or quarterly goals, ensuring that we have the resources in place to hit the customer demand, and is often in the guise of load and capacity planning. Typically, businesses fail to understand their internal capacity. Therefore, they create plans that either do not meet the customer requirements or are overloaded and the plan fails. The window for this planning is typically 0 to 6 months. Last but certainly not least, we have long-term planning, where we set our sights on the future. How to create sustainable strategies that span years, aligning production with evolving market trends and customer demands. This is normally where we would find the star of the show, sales and operation planning, or S&OP. This is the bridge that connects production planning with sales, marketing and most other business functions. S&OP helps us synchronise our efforts across departments, ensuring that we hit our sales goals. S&OP is the method by which we strive to understand the customer requirements by using all the market data and the forecast. It allows us to ascertain any capacity and resource requirements, balance inventory levels, support financial forecasting, and any investment required to balance supply versus demand. Typically, this view is 6 to 18 months, dependent on your business type. My top 3 tips to make sure that this process runs smoothly are as follows. 1. Customer demand. Make sure you work with your customers to get the most accurate forecast you can possible. 2. Fix your plan for as long as possible. Changing your plan within this fixed window will create noise in your system and create production inefficiencies. 3. Do not rely on the IT system. IT systems are only as good as the data that you put into them, and therefore make sure that this is accurate and kept accurate at all times. If you want to learn more about production planning in your business, visit our website to arrange a free business consultation. Thanks for listening.